Hey guys, my name's Hailey. Welcome back to the Disney Cupcake channel. Today we are at the Disney store for all of the new holiday merchandise, so let's head inside. So I have all of my holiday stuff on today. I am very excited to see all this new holiday merchandise. The parks merchandise looks absolutely beautiful, so I'm very excited to see what the Disney store gets this year. So let's go on in. So as we enter into the store, we can see all of the beautiful decorations all over the top. It looks so magical and pretty. I really like the art style of all of the holiday merchandise this year. So let's get started right with the holiday merchandise. The first item we see here is the Santa cookie set. This set is $29.95. There's also a bunch of matching Christmas PJs for the whole entire family, even for the Disney baby. And these are $16.95. They also have the adult ones over here as well with the matching pants. We cannot forget the plush this holiday season. There's even giant Peas in the Pod plush. Petey, Peaches, and Penelope all have their Santa hats on. Also for $9.95 there are these smaller stocking stuffer ones. There's Holiday Piglet, Pooh, and even Minnie Mouse in a snowman shirt. They also have these bigger plushes as well. There's this Christmas Woody, which is super unique. I have not seen this plush ever. I'm very excited about this one. There's also Eeyore in his ugly Christmas sweater, and even Donald and Stitch. And these ones are $19.95. Our next item is the Disney Parks Christmas Train. This one I did not see a price on, but it is really cool that it is themed to Disney Parks, and this is remote control. There's also this Create Your Own Holiday Cards DIY set. This is $16.95. You can also get some pre-made cards. These are $14.95 and there are 12 total. There's a bunch of fun holiday shirts, and as I say, I always love these holiday t-shirts. If you're going to be going to the parks this year, they're perfect because they're nice short sleeve and they still show the holiday spirit. Also for $22.95 there's this Mickey Mouse light up hat. For $74.95 you can get this adorable Mickey Mouse tree skirt, and the holiday bag right next to it is $24.95. There's also another matching holiday PJ set this year. Here's the design. It has embroidered characters on the top, and again, this is for the whole entire family. You can see all the different sizes there, and they come in this really cool little set. You can see the little diagram of the whole entire outfit there as well. You can also get matching slippers for $19.95, and this adorable plush blanket, which is super soft. Then this is $34.95. There's this really cute Christmas Disney Parks shirt. It is super cute. I love the art style they're using this year for the holidays. It looks super soft, but I'm not seeing a price on this one. For $19.95 each, you can get this Mickey and Minnie stocking set. They're super soft and really good quality. There is also this Minnie Mouse dress for little girls. It even comes with this little fluffy jacket. This is $39.95. They even have the matching shoes to go with it. These are $14.95. Here's a look at the 2019 Disney Store Minnie and Mickey plushes. They're really cute, and I love their holiday outfits. And these are $22.95 each. They also have a little boy's fancy outfit. It's like a little tuxedo, and they even have the matching shoes to go with it, and they even have socks as well. They have a Disney baby plush set. It comes with like a little Christmas outfit and a little plush, and it is $39.95. These items are a little higher up, so I cannot see the prices on them, but there is this little Disney bib set, along with My First Christmas stocking and little blanket. For $49.95 each, you can get this family matching holiday sweater set, and they have Mickey and Minnie on the front with fun candy canes and holly leaves all over. Just like in the Disney parks, they have the light up lights lanyard. This is $15.95. I showed these in my last video, which I will also have linked down below. These are the ugly Christmas sweater matching family shirts. Again, perfect for Disney parks. They also have this Stitch plush set. This is the Naughty or Nice Stitch. This is $29.95 and it is just like the Elf on the Shelf. Also for $29.95 you can get this Mickey and Friends ornament set of 6. And they also have tree toppers and they light up and they feature Tinkerbell and Mickey and Minnie. For $149.95 you can get this set of 12 Disney Princess sketchbook ornaments. These are absolutely beautiful. I'll also have linked down below my Disney Princess ranking video if you guys would like to know what my favorite Disney princess is. My favorite items, of course, are these Disney food items, and there are a lot of cooking items here for the holiday season. This one specifically is this Disney pie tray. It even has little Mickey heads all lined around the sides. This pie tray is $24.95. For $29.95 you can get this adorable serving tray. It has the Disney train all the way around, Mickey and Minnie, and it says "Spread the Love." For $59.95 you can get this mini ceramic bowl set. There are 4 total, and when you put all of them together it creates the Disney train. They also have some other fun holiday items like this salt and pepper shaker set. It's Mickey and Minnie and they go inside a sled. This is $19.95. There's also this Mickey Mouse cookie jar, and I'm not seeing a box or price on this one. Also for $19.95 you can get these really soft Mickey and Minnie little plush stockings. They include this little present pocket that holds your little plush inside of it. Continue again with the holiday food merchandise. There is this table runner. This is absolutely adorable and it reminds me of the Disney parks, but at the same time it is super subtle. This is $24.95, and for $34.95 there is also this Mickey and Friends welcome mat, and it says "the most wonderful time of the year," and it's a great size as well. For $19.95 you can get this Mickey and Friends little house candle holder. There's also a Mickey Mouse apron for $19.95. So you can make your cookies and put them in this adorable mug. This mug has a little cookie pocket and it has Mickey and Friends all over it. I think this is super fun. It's $19.95. This other mug over here is $14.95 and it is all green and has the Mickey and Friends characters. There's also this plate set so you can eat all of your yummy treats as well. This contains many different designs and it is $24.95 for each set of 4 plates. Now we're going to be taking a look at the Disney sketchbook ornaments. There are so many ornaments here. They're like a great quality. They range in prices, so I'm going to have shopdisney.com linked down below. One of my favorite things about these ornaments is that they do not need hooks. They have these built-in ribbons, which is very helpful. They also have all of the Disney princesses that were available in that 12-pack set if you're looking for a specific princess or you do not want to buy all of them at once. My other favorite thing about these ornaments is that a majority of them contain these little gold medallions at the top that show the year that the film came out and what anniversary is currently happening this year. They have another fun section called Great Gift Ideas, and here we can see these new light up plush. This is very similar to the Mickey pumpkin plush that was available for the holiday event. They light up in the palm of your hand, and right now Stitch and Tinkerbell are available. These are $11.95 each. They also have these fun hats. This velvet Mickey hat is $19.95 and this denim Mickey hat is $16.95, and it says the true original on the back. They also have these really awesome VHS tape notebooks. These are amazing, so well detailed. They look exactly like VHS tapes, and when you open them up you can even see the VHS tape inside. These are $14.95 each and they have a lot of designs, like Little Mermaid and Lilo and Stitch are brand new. They also have this section of gifts for under $20, like this ornament and tree topper set from Nightmare Before Christmas. Also these Disney Mystery Snow Globes. These contain the Fab 5. They're $9.95 each. I think these are really cool because they're a fun collectible gift, but also super nice to have. Just like last year, they have these ornament sock ball sets. These are $7.95 each and they contain both Disney and Pixar ones. I love their mystery, even though the tag does say what they are. Just if you would like to know for sure, I see a Wally, Eeyore, Stitch, Mickey, of course some holiday ones as well. I see Up. Oh my gosh, there's so many, and there's the look at the tag. Once again, they're doing the 12 days of socks as well. They have both a men's and a women's one, and each of the squares shows the design of the socks that are available, just so you know before you purchase. These are $39.95 each. Also getting comfy for the holidays, they have these really awesome PJ sets. I think these are adorable. They even have matching slippers to go with the different robes and outfits. There's even these fun little cosmetic bags and mugs with makeup cases, and they all go together and match each other. There's also a bunch of different mixes of different sweatpants and different comfy shirts and sweatshirts just to get comfy for the holidays. Some fun stitch designs as well. And they even have a Minnie Mouse set just like the Marie one that we just saw. You can see here these flip-flops are $19.95. You can see the mugs, Winnie the Pooh mugs, and that little headband with makeup kit. They also have this hooded fleece blanket. This is a Minnie Mouse blanket. This is $29.95 and it is so soft. There's also a matching pillow. There's a stitch robe as well to match all these fun items. There's even more Christmas t-shirts featuring Winnie the Pooh and Scar. This is the only Spirit jersey I was able to find that was one of the holiday ones. This is the checkerboard print one and it has Santa Mickey on it. And on the back it says Merry Christmas. This is $59.95, so very similar to the parks. But I do not think the park available Spirit jerseys will be at the Disney store this year. Of course, they have more ugly Christmas sweaters like this Nutcracker Mickey and Friends one, and this even lights up. This is $49.95, and they also have Stitch and Nightmare Before Christmas. Just like I showed in my last video, there's a lot of the Halloween merchandise still available. Not a lot of it is on sale yet, but it is still available. They also have some Disney mugs. A new mug that I see that was not here last time is this Walt Disney Pictures mug. This is $16.95. Again, make sure to check out my other Disney store videos for a closer look at some of these other items. I'll link down below. A lot of you guys are asking me about the Mickey Waffle Maker. I have not seen it on shopdisney.com recently, but it is still available at Disney stores. I've seen it at Disney stores for the past few times I've been, so make sure you guys check it out here if you're interested. They have a lot of Disney Eats merchandise, from bowls to subtle little holders and trays. I love this Mickey Mouse one. For $11 when you buy 2 or more, there are these Disney figure sets, and there are a lot of them. These are really nice, high quality figures, perfect for holiday gifts. They even have Christmas ones as well. Also on sale for $22.99. This is the best time to buy Halloween costumes with an additional 25% off. These are the good quality Disney store costumes. Perfect time to stock up for next year. There's also this new Disney animator doll I've never seen before. This is Rapunzel in her crib. Last time I also showed you guys these really fancy Disney princess costumes and outfits. Perfect to get fancy for the holiday season. Fun to Disney bound in. Very similar, if not nicer, than the Bippity Boppity Boutique ones. All plush right now are really buy one, get one for $3. I love these Disney Cuddles plush, and they're originally $34.95. Here is also the Star Wars section. We can see the advent calendar here, but I'm not seeing any other exclusive Rise of Skywalker merchandise just yet, except for this D-O remote control droid and these limited edition collectible coins for $49.95. Also, Toy Story 4 is now available on DVD, so the merchandise is still out. They have a big display of all of these items, and I even see over here the new Forky plush. He is back. He was recalled because he had googly eyes, but they recently stitched him back up. This is $16.95. It is adorable, and it stands up really well, which is awesome. This is $149.95. This is the Buzz Lightyear Command Center playset. It has a lot of fun lights and sounds and different buttons and everything. Another thing up by the checkout, Disney stores now have autograph books. This may be a great place to buy them before heading to the park. This one specifically is $9.95, and you may be able to use some extra discounts here that you could not use in the parks. And taking one last look as we walk out of the store, I see one more Spirit jersey. This is the Tiana Spirit jersey. It is a really pretty green. It's all sparkly, and it says Shine Bright on it. I've never seen this one before, and I'm really surprised it's at the Disney store. I also see some other random Disney Parks shirts all mixed in here. I'm not sure why they're here, but it's pretty cool to see Disney Park stuff all around. Also up towards the front, I see the Lego Disney train station. I'll have that video linked down below where I build it. They also have Walt Disney World Castle playsets and even the Disneyland monorail. Again, I'm not sure why it's here, but it's awesome to see Disney Park stuff at my local Disney store. And Of course, all of the Frozen 2 merchandise is out and available now. Frozen 2 comes out this month. I did a more in-depth toy hunt of the Frozen 2 merchandise. I'll have that video linked down below if you're interested. There are so many new Frozen items. I am really excited for this movie. I will be doing a Frozen themed room tour, so make sure you guys subscribe so you do not miss it. And when you donate for Toys for Tots, you actually get this fun little button, which is really cute. It's the theme of all the Christmas merchandise at the Disney store right now. So thank you guys so much for joining me here on this Disney store fun holiday toy hunt. I love checking out all of the amazing holiday merchandise. I am so excited for the holidays and for Christmas, and to decorate my room with all of my fun holiday merchandise. Make sure to check out my holiday videos from last year, and I will have all of those linked down below. I have many fun holiday videos planned for this year, so make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so you guys do not miss it. Also, make sure to check out my Instagram and Twitter for fun holiday videos as well. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and remember to do what you love and do what makes you happy, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!